The bear market. Again, this is the excess phase, right? And then what happens, and actually I'm going to get rid of this last piece right here. Let's just go 3 parts right here, right? People like get out of the market, excess phase. The professionals right here, they get out of the market. Retail people get out of the market. And here, this is what they call capitulation, right? This is when it's like, look, you got so much pain, right? It's like, you don't want to play anymore. So you just, if you had some stocks, you sell. And again, those people who are playing the game, the people who make the markets, they'll take that pain off your hand, and they'll buy the stocks from you at a discount, and then they make the game happen all over again. And then this is what happens, right? Then it goes up again, and it moves in that direction, okay? So, bear market, lower lows, right? Lower highs, right? Different players, those who started the game, they sell those, remember, they bought those stocks way at the bottom of the bull market. They sell their last amount of stocks to the foolish people at the end, right? Now they're buying it back, right? And then this will be when the retail person capitulates, right? The professionals are buying up all those shares at discounted prices, and they start the game all over again. Okay, so the reason this is significant is, right, this is you, this is me. Working class people, right? We tend to have the financial habits of the poor, where we have money coming in and money going out. Middle income class, or the middle class, right, who live in the American dream, and they discover in horrific bear markets that the American dream can turn into an American nightmare. And like they discover, like for example, their house. They think that their house is their number one asset, but when you lose your job, you find out who actually owns that house, right? When the bank or the city forecloses on that property, right? So what we want to teach is this financial habit here, right? Where whether you make $10,000 a year, $50,000 a year, $100,000 a year, $200,000 a year in the form of earned income, you have one source of income. We want you to pay attention to have multiple sources of income. Like in this example right here, property, intellectual property, bank notes, bonds, stocks, and real estate. Technical analysis is really focusing on, is one of the tools in your toolbox. So if you think you're building a house, you're not going to build a house just with a hammer. You're going to build a house with a hammer, a lever, right? A saw, right? Nails. You're just going to have all this equipment in your toolbox. Technical analysis of financial markets is one of the tools that you will have, that we suggest that you have in the toolbox. So, thank you for spending time with us. Check us out. We're here for you. We want to share the knowledge.